Hi, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Jasmine. And welcome to Hidden Acres Homestead. And in this episode,
we're going to be working on our Craftsman mower. We damaged it last time, had a bit of trouble with some blades and pulleys. We're going to replace it today. We're going to bring you along while we do it. So I just put the mower up on the set of ramps. Lets me get in underneath to undo the blades. That's our damaged blades that we're replacing. So this is how it should look. This is how this one looks. It's a bit bent. These are the ones we're replacing them with. They're just a standard mower blade. These ones I believe are a emulsion blade. We've got new pulleys. If we need it, we've got a new drive belt, but I don't believe we should need that, but we've got it in case we need it. And this is the spindle. So how this works is the blade bolts on the bottom and the pulley goes on the top, like so. So what we've found is if you're mowing and you hit something hard with these mowers, the pulleys are only quite thin and the drive is only not very deep. So what's been happening to ours is it chews the drive teeth off. So you can compare the new one to the old one. You can see why it doesn't drive anymore. With our mower, it actually contacted a piece of steel, bent the tip of the blade down, and while we were mowing it was digging into the ground and then obviously destroyed the pulley even further. Okay, we're going to clean off the deck so we can actually see what we're doing. Now we're going to take the other blade off. It's not damaged, but we're going to put two new blades on anyway. We're just using the 3/8 socket set. I'm cheating, got a 3/8 rattle gun too. So let's take him off. Okay, we're just going to take off the second pulley now. We're just going to use our 22mm spanner. Just give it a quick tap to crank it loose. We can unwind the nut. Stuck on there. Bit tight, that one. Okay, pulley's off. We're going to put our nut back on just so we don't lose the spacer washer there. Doesn't have to be tight, just loose. Right, now to take the blade off. We left the blade on so we could use it as a something to hold it while we undone the nut. Now underneath to undo the blade. Now to take off the blade. There's our blade removed. We can put our bolt back in just so we don't lose it in the grass. Okay, now back up top to remove the spindles. What we're going to do now is we're going to remove these bolts that hold the spindle in. This is a new one, obviously. We're going to take the old one out and then we'll bolt the new one in. And it's out. Gonna give it a bit of a scrape and a clean. Okay, let's fit the new one. Just popping the guard back in, we can't forget that.
Can you point it out?
The guard there. Okay. We just got to tighten it up now. And that's this side done. And then we're going to do the same to the other side and we'll be back. Okay, now we're going to fit the blades. So we've got something to hold on to so we can tighten the pulleys up. You got to tighten them up. Just using the rattle gun to tighten them up just a bit quicker. Now we go back up top to fit the pulleys. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to take the nut off. We've got to make sure our spacer washer's still there. We're going to get our belt and we're going to put it in the pulley. And then we are going to just slide it on. Okay. Yep, we're just going to slide it on. We're going to put our nut on and tighten it up. One side done, now to do the other side. Okay, we're just going to repeat for this side. And we're done. All we got left to do now is to try it out. I hope you liked the video. I hope you found it helpful. Subscribe if you like videos like this, and we'll keep doing more.
See you later, guys.
See ya.